So hello everyone, I'm Alok Sharma and today we are going to see about the modules in Python. It is same as packages in Java, but this is a promo video. So today we are going to see about a module called random to explain you a little bit about the modules. In Python, the module is imported as using a keyword called import and the module name. So I'm going to importing a module called random. So random, if we want if the name of our module is very lengthy, since random is very small, there are other modules such as Stackizer. It is also a Google API, but that's a very lengthy. If we using the name, then it is not taking much time. So if for consuming our, it is much time consuming too, and minimizing our time consuming, so we can use our keyword called as, shortening the length of a using any other name in spite of using the name of a module. So we are going to use as rad in place of random. Writing the complete name random, we are going to write only random, rad. So we are going to use n equals to z dot and int, and we are going to start. We want a number starting from 1 to 6. In between these two numbers we want a random integer. Then we are going to use a function random, and this will going to give me a number between 1 to 6. So print, we are going to print the number n, and we are going to save it and reload it. So this has given me the number 5, which is between 1 and 6. So this how the function in the random module works. We are going to see some other functions in the random module, and we are going to see other modules also. This is just a promo video to give you some information about the random and the random module and modules. In next video I am going to show you some other functions of random module, and we are going to make a small little program, a game, small guessing game using random. So see you in next video. Till now, this is it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you are new on this.